Now uJacinta is calling for University yamaZulu odwa. Yamazulu odwa. Firstly, she was fighting for South Africans, according to her, and then now she's calling for University yamaZulu odwa, just like how AfriForum is doing. Working University yamabhunu odwa. Emase ithi preserve iculture ngalokho. Ngenxa ukuthi ama-racist vele mengabe ebona ukuthi outnumbered azosebenzisa lawo ma-rhetorics lawo to actually run away from integration and cosmopolitan societies, because university spaces are cosmopolitan spaces. Hence why the quattro universities that are thriving in South Africa today, UJ, Wits, UCT, I think Stellenbosch, are cosmopolitan universities. You've got all races, all tribes contributing in the research project of the university or in epistemic project of the university. So now if you're calling for a University yamaZulu odwa, you are claiming that the lives of AmaZulu will be better. Normal, the learning experiences in universities will be better if AmaZulu efunda wodwa, namaPedi efunda wodwa, namaXhosa efunda wodwa. Emase kuba nenkinga ke ama-unofficial languages nama-unofficial tribes that are not recognized by the state, like amaMpondo, amaMfengu, amaLobedu, and all these people. So there will be that problem of ama-tribes akanjalo. But also when she calls for University yamaZulu odwa, it's the same thing that was called what Inkatha was calling for. It was Natal noma kwaZulu ayimele. Wase kuba khona ilokhu uphakela umthakathi la ethi khona makube khona constitution yaKwaZulu Natal yodwa. The same thing amabhulu arguing also ngeWestern Cape ukuthi afuna ukuyimela wona Western Cape kube indawo yawo wodwa, futhi amaXhosa lahlala emkhukhwini kumele ephume ehambe ngoba uHelenzile vele wasewabizile ama-refugees eSouth Africa. Ingawo futhi amalungu nje manje elokhu eWestern Cape eletha amalungu abaningi from elsewhere la abanemali bafike bethenga imhlaba lapha ngamadola nama-euros ukukhanda i-majority e-false, ngoba uyikhanda ngamaJuda, uyikhanda ngama-Israelites la abalekela le nto ayenzile ayiqalile laphana ye-genocide. Uyikhanda ngabantu abanemali that are going to buy South Africans out. Hence why uya Cape Town manje kumele ubudget uya for i-weekend. It's more expensive to go to Cape Town than to go to another country, because abelungu befuna ukungixosha ey'koleni zabo noma bengixoshe kuma-university zabo basebenzisa imali. But ngoba imali seninayo as black South Africans, you can now afford Crawford, you can now afford Curo and all those things. Then they build their own institutions, because it was you supposed to have a sponsor noma funding as serious for you to fund UCT. But manje abantu abanye masebenayo imali, so bakhande university ngaleyo result lezo ukuthi they want to actually, they don't want diversity in the cosmopolitan spaces. They don't want that. That's how racists are. So you then build your own university as AfriForum for amabhunu, because akuyona university Africans, Afrikaners, okusho ukuthi white South Africans who are African speaking. The same reasoning ayisebenzisa for ukuba ne-Orania. So okusho ukuthi kunengxenye yamaZulu futhi hayi wonke efuna ukuthi uZulu Natal uyimele wodwa. Inkinga lana izoba kutheni ke, njengoba sebeqedile ngama-foreigners noma mhla baqeda ngama-foreigners official, I don't think baqeda ngama-foreigners noma mhla ba-realize ukuthi ngebaqede ngama-legal foreigners nama-illegal foreigners akamanye amazwe, bazongenela ama-tribes la amanye ale South Africa. For the longest time kunokungazwani okukhona phakathi kwamaMpondo namaZulu, mhlambe nale genge futhi nje kusuka ko-Potchefstroom South Coast ukuya le Eastern Cape koBizana konke lisikisiki Flagstaff Mthatha. They were associated with abantu abasikumoba kuthiwa yini impondo. For some time ukubizwa ngempondo kwakade kuyinhlamba noma kusayinhlamba. Ingane izikhala ngokubiza ngempondo, noma ngabe umuntu eqonda ukuthi wenza into engasile noma wenza noma ungcolile noma unjani akubiza ngempondo. Because ngalento yamachini march batargethe the most struggling foreigners of which is labasebenza emgaqweni, and all the Tsonga people, the people who are doing, imsebenzi ngempela ongeke uzuthanda ukuyenza South African. They're gonna come for people of the Eastern Cape because their province is not much developed like KZN. They're gonna come for all these people. From people labase Lesotho for people about from provinces and have their own KwaZulu-Natal according to them. And vela akona wonke amazulu that are homogeneous, they don't think the same. But I'm just saying that you can have that problem. Like how Problem Mthakathi is calling for a constitution yakwaZulu kuphela. Inkatha for a longest time ifuna vele KwaZulu-Natal kube i-state esihlukile ne-South Africa. Le nto enziwa amabhulu e-Western Cape. And bayozama nakhona futhi lokhu eGauteng njengoba kubenzele contest nje lapha eJohannesburg. They are going to experiment leyo nto leyo. Because egcina ngosuku bazoba ingxenye ye-government because banalo ivote lapha eGauteng. ePitoli banawo umhlaba othile cishe ufana ne-Orania la abantu bamnyama bangangeni khona. So kuyoba kanjani ke mhla kwaba khona i-Orania eWestern Cape la kuthiwa aningeni khona ngoba i-Orania akungeni umuntu omnyama, angeni omunye umuntu ngaphandle kwamabhunu. I-Western Cape they want to do the same thing. Hence why uHelenzile wabiza abantu base-Eastern Cape bahlala emkhukhwini ngama-refugees, educational refugees. You're being called a refugee, imbacu ngesixhosa, noma fana nesifika namthwalo nje kahle kahle in your own country. You're called isifika namthwalo in your own country. So that's what's going to happen in KwaZulu-Natal. And we told you about Omashini.